Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Every morning, as the first ray of sunlight filter through the trees, we step outside to a beautiful surprise. Ripe mangoes scattered on the ground, gifts from the night's breeze. We gather them with joy, the sweet aroma filling the air. It's a simple routine, yet deeply satisfying. As we soak in the gentle morning sun, our bodies awaken too, absorbing vitamin D that strengthens bone and uplifts mood. And those mangoes, they're packed with nutrients, rich in vitamin A and C, great for immunity, skin, and digestion. Nature truly gives us the best start to the day. Moments like this remind us to slow down, deep breathe, and be grateful for the little blessings.